Hey, what's good, y'all? It's Dudene again from KOFFI Noir, and I got a very, very special, I would say, news or unboxing to share with you all. I know last time you guys had the opportunity to see a special unboxing we did around some wedge loafers, some sneakers, but now it's kind of the time to kind of switch it up a little bit. So with that, I'm really, really excited to announce this particular accessory slash, I would say, product or accessory that we are adding to the KOFFI Noir brand, to the lineup. It's something that's super practical, very important when it comes to men's footwear or just footwear in general, and has something to do with your feet. And the number one request slash critique has always been, why do you guys don't have any socks? We didn't think it was necessarily important to have socks, because we sell shoes, right? We have cleaning kits, we have shoe trees and things for you to maintain your shoes. But clearly we were missing something, and people were letting us know that we were missing something that's just as important as the shoe itself, and that's a pair of hosiery slash socks. So with that, I kind of want to show you guys a couple of models that will be available on the website this Saturday. I haven't announced the time yet, but they for sure are going to be up on the website for you to purchase. These socks are going to be featured in two lines that we are currently working to develop. One to be our essentials line, which essentially is a pair of Egyptian cotton socks. They either be plain or ribbed, or whatnot. Mid-calf socks, very comfortable, easy to put on. No real intricate patterns or anything like that. Like those little novelty socks, doesn't have all those designs and things like that on them. And, they're very easy to, pair with different outfits. And more importantly, they're comfortable and they are low-key stylish. I'm not even going to downplay. They are stylish for sure, but they're going to meet all of your needs that you need in a good quality sock. And then we come over to our premium line of socks, which feature our cashmere wool socks and our silk socks. These socks will be over the calf, or OTC. And the dope part about having over the calf socks is that they're not going to sort of run down to your ankles or fall down. Because they're over the calf, your socks are going to be able to stay straight, basically on your foot, on your leg. You don't have to worry about having to adjust them, as you may have to do sometimes with like quarter length or mid calf types of socks at times. But yeah, super excited to finally have some socks so that you guys can, when you guys are thinking about the types of shoes you want to purchase from us, or you want to do something custom, that you can also buy you can, on the way out, get you a pair of socks and be good to go. So I think we're going to start with our essentials. Yeah, we're going to start with the essentials, and then we're going to work our way to the more premium line hosiery. So let's take this bundle. These are our essential socks. We also have these as well in mid calf. So I'll just take my time and walk you guys through this. So our essential line of socks will be one size fit most. So basically, if you wear anywhere between a size 7 to a 13, you pretty much can fit a pair of these socks. It's real simple. It's not too much stuff to think about. They are mid calf as well, so they come up to the mid part of your calf. They're super comfortable. These are 100% Egyptian cotton. And the first 5 colors I wanted to feature, or 4, 5, I can't even count right now. The first 5 colors I wanted to feature were a navy, a red or a cherry, a green, ivory, and of course brown. The reason why I chose those colors were, one, brown and green are like earth tones. Red provides you that nice pop when you're wearing your dress suits. Maybe you got a certain type of suit on, a navy suit, or maybe you're wearing brown and orange or something, or whatever the case may be. And that red sock just gives you that pop, just boom, like damn, serves as an accent piece in many occasions, right? Navy and brown are essentially, basic go-tos for anyone just, looking to look well dressed and put together. These are some decent combinations to go with. I know some people have made, a stink about brown and black socks, but there's all kind of browns. You got your very dark mocha browns. You have this chocolate brown here. There's different browns that you can experiment with. Also, brown is like an earth tone, similar to these green pairs of socks. These are earth tones right here. So think about it as, let's say you're wearing a certain fit, and these socks in many ways kind of mute, your pants all the way down, whether you're wearing a brown pair of Oxfords or loafers, or maybe a basic sneaker or something like that. These will kind of make you look like you're grounded, right? Kind of blend in with the elements and that's super dope. Also, if you've noticed, these are ribbed, right? Which I think is really nice. As you can see here, there's some stretch here and there. These socks are very, very comfortable, very lightweight, very breathable, and most importantly, you're going to look stylish at the end of the day. So these are, as I mentioned earlier, 100% Egyptian cotton socks, mid-calf. Also too, as you can see here on the tag, I don't know if it's in focus or not, but on the tag pretty much gives you some basic information about the sizing of the socks, also how to care for the socks as well. So as we move along, let's put these to the side. We have these will be featured as a part of the KOFFI Noir Essentials line as well. So I know I was talking mess about novelty socks or whatnot with patterns and stuff, but these are a little bit different. These socks are made of 90% wool, 10% nylon, and these are my favorite. These are my favorite pairs. Little quick history background. So the manufacturer that we're working with that designed these socks is a very well-known manufacturer in producing socks. And when I was looking for someone to really produce socks that met the standard of KOFFI Noir, they communicated to us that they worked with several African brands and out there to create some really unique style and patterns or whatnot. And this sock caught my eye because of the textiles. It reminded me so much of Ankara print, African print, the kente, the way that these lines are kind of woven together on a kente. It reminded me of those. And when he told me that they had worked with a couple of Nigerians and some Kenyans to create some different patterns or like textiles or whatnot for some of their socks and their products, I was easily sold. I was like, okay, I want to get a couple pairs of those. So some of my favorite color combinations that they had was this orange and navy blue. You have this royal blue and kind of like sand or taupe or whatnot, which I thought is super awesome. And of course, because I want to make sure that we are staying stylish. This taupe or sand and off-white colored version of it. As I mentioned, these socks are 90% wool, so these make a great wintertime sock actually. Keep your feet warm. They are lightweight, and they're a little bit thick, but they're lightweight, super comfortable. They're not going to itch and scratch or anything like that on your feet. And again, your feet are going to be warm, especially during this time of the year. And yeah, so these are the socks for the KOFFI Noir Essential line. And then last but not least is our premium hosiery. A lot of folks don't realize the importance or the different levels in socks. I didn't realize this, and this is somebody that collects socks. I didn't realize that it was levels. I didn't realize there were real levels to this sock thing, right? So I was introduced to over the calf socks. Over the calf socks go all the way up basically to your knee. And what's super dope and unique about over the calf socks is you don't have to worry about the socks running down to your ankle, doing that weird thing, right? Because of over the calf, they're kind of hugging to your body, to your silhouette of your leg, and really just, provides a certain level of elegance and enhances your overall style. So I decided to go with a couple, simple colors. This dark gray or dark medium gray kind of charcoal color over the calf. These are also made of cashmere. These are cashmere. And then we have this silk, 100% silk brown over the calf sock. Again, these socks, you really want to make sure you have some really good quality pairs of socks to wear with your suits, formal outings, or if you just out on a simple day or whatnot, and you really want to look your best, over the calf socks are a way to go. Interestingly enough, in Europe, over the calf socks are a thing. In the US, not so much. We're used to the mid calf. Honestly, if you want me to be honest, I don't even think we understand the difference between a quality sock and a good sock, to be quite frank with you. But at the end of the day, I'm here to, provide that education so folks can ultimately step up their style. So, and lastly, I want to show you my second favorite sock, which is this over the calf wool Houndstooth sock. It's navy and brown over the calf. Yeah, this sock is super long, and man, it is a beauty. Like, I really like this sock a lot. And just Houndstooth in general, you don't really see people wearing a Houndstooth sock like that. So one of the things that I wanted to make sure to do is that we are providing you socks that not only provide you comfort or lightweight, but also are going to, allow you to stand out, or what they call peacock a little bit. And yeah, you're most certainly going to turn heads with a pair of these, no doubt. Yep. Boom. So yeah, some quick things to note. These socks, all the socks are not sort of size the same. As I mentioned earlier, our essential line socks are one size fits most. Our premium pairs of socks are going to be based on sizes. So I have three sizes. That they come in: medium, large, and extra large. And essentially, medium, if you wear a size between sizes 7 and 9, you'll get a medium. If you wear a large, it'd be like 9.5 to like 12. And then the XL would be like anywhere between like a 10.5 and a size 13, 13.5. And, you know, the difference between one size fits most and, you know, actually buying socks according to the size of your foot is just a different feel, different fit. These are going to fit a little bit better because they are actually sized to your foot, as opposed to a one size fit most. But however, you don't want to discount the one size fit most, especially when you're needing something super quick, something to slide on with ease, to be comfortable, and durable at the same time. And the comments section, let me know what you guys think of the KOFFI Noir hosiery. Again, we got the elephant. Yes, they are made in Italy. And, you know, I'm just super excited that now I finally have socks and people can start, you know, purchasing them and really just adding to their overall style. And then also people can stop complaining that I don't have socks. So, also just some quick updates. Our KOFFI Noir crew neck sweaters are almost sold out. So, you know, right now we only have several sizes in the black KOFFI Noir crew. The maroon and navy KOFFI Noir crews are completely sold out. So yeah, expect these sweaters to be out by end of December, early January. Also, we should be receiving another pair of hosiery. I think a fuchsia, a purple, solid colors, and maybe some polka dots. I think like orange and green polka dots. So yeah, be on the lookout for that and other types of accessories and things that we have coming down the line. If you are in the Oakland, San Francisco Bay Area, Thanksgiving weekend, I will be at a pop-up at Loyal to the Soil on Broadway, downtown Oakland. We are going to have a sale, so be on the lookout for that. Come through, grab your pair of socks, place your pre-order for a KOFFI Noir crew neck, get your pair of shoes, and yeah, we got y'all taken care of. But in the meantime, y'all have a wonderful day, and talk to y'all next time. Peace.